Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can delete friends in Fortnite. Now by delete, I mean how we guys can unfriend or remove them as a friend from your friends list in Fortnite. Now deleting doesn't mean you can just delete another person's account randomly, okay? You can just unfriend them. Let me show you how we guys can do that. First, you want to click on the profile picture at the top right of the screen, and then you want to click on this person looking icon. From over here, you want to click on over here where it says Epic Games Online. It is going to show you all your online friend. If you scroll down and click on offline, it is going to show you all your offline friend. You can just scroll and try to find the friend which you want to unfriend. Let's say I want to unfriend this person named Aini. I can click on his name, and what I can do is click on more option, click on remove friend, and click on yes. Once I click on yes, this person will be removed from my friends list, and I won't be able to invite him to my game, and he won't be able to invite me to his game as well. But that is basically how we guys can unfriend someone on Fortnite. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future Fortnite related videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.